So today I'm here and I'm just like a slime person. So I'm going to show you one of my slimes. Let's get on to the slime. Woo! Oh, and here it is.
How could selling a car get someone killed?
She wouldn't tell me. Says I'm not family and I never will be. That stupid bitch.
Actually, I used to hear
Does she have a name?
Cloris.
So, bye, savages.
Yeah, of course. I got a pen.